Okay, Assalamualaikum grade 4. So today we meet again with the new unit. Yeah, this one is about in the countryside. Okay, before we start the lesson, let's pray first, just like usual. Okay, let's pray together now. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Robbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahmah. Amin. Oke, let's start the lesson ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Semoga pelajarannya bisa teman-teman terima dengan baik. Oke, next. Nah, in this part, in this unit, you will learn about the activities, about the places, and about the phonic sound of O sama verb to, ya, atau past simple. Verb to itu past simple atau past tense, gitu ya. Next. Oke, listen first ya.
So big. I know.
Oh,
The stars are so
aku ulang dari awal dulu ya.
Oh,
Okay, listen.
weekend. Everyone had fun in the countryside. Ben and Anne went to the mountains. Dear Tom, last weekend we went to the mountains. When we were by the river, we saw the moon and the stars. They looked really cool. Yours then. The moon is so big. I know. And the stars are so pretty. Right. Oh, Tinky. Harry and her family went to a farm. Dear Sue, last Sunday we went to the countryside. When we were on the farm, the goat ate Mom's coat. It was funny. Love, Kelly. Where's Pink?
Farm.
River,
River.
river.
Moon.
Field,
Field.
field. Mountain,
Mountain.
mountain. Stars,
Stars.
stars.
Page 44. Dialogue. Listen. Read. Say. What What did you do when you were in the field?
First, we picked some apples. Then we ran. The cow chased us.
Page 44. Practice 2. Listen, read, say. 1.
In the field, picked apples.
What did you do when you were in the field?
I picked some apples.
2.
By the river, fed the ducks. What did you do when you were by the river? I fed the ducks. Mountains, played in the snow.
What did you do when you were in the mountains?
Played in the snow.
4.
After school, read a story. What did you do when we were at school? We read a story.
Page 45.
Oke, wait ya. Sepertinya ada something wrong. Oke, kita continue ya, teman-teman ya. Nah, ini kita continue lagi.
Last weekend, everyone had fun in the countryside. Mike, Ben, and Anne went to the mountains. Dear Tom, last weekend we went to the mountains. When we were by the river, we saw the moon and the stars. They were really cool. Yours were them. The moon is so big and low, and the stars are so pretty. Hi! Oh, Tinky! Kelly and her family went to a farm. Dear Sue, last Sunday we went to the countryside. When we were on the farm, the goat ate Mom's coat. It was funny. Love, Kelly. Please go.
Oke, kita balik lagi ya. Ini yang tadi ya. Farm. River. Moon.
Field.
Field.
Field. Mountain.
Mountain.
Mountain. Stars.
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 Page 44. Dialogue. Listen. Read. Say. What did you do when you were in the field?
First, we picked some apples. Then we ran. The owl chased us.
Page 44. Practice 2. Listen. Read. Say.
In the field, picked apples.
What did you do when you were in the field?
I picked some apples.
2.
By the river, fed the ducks. When you were by the river, we fed the ducks. In the mountains, played with the snow.
What did you do when you were in the mountains?
I played in the snow.
4.
Act 4. Read the story.
What did you do?
When you were at school, we read the story.
Page 45. Practice 3. Listen. Number. 1. What did you do last weekend?
I went to the farm. I picked some big oranges.
Nah, mana yang number 1? I was in the farm. I picked some oranges. Teman-teman, you can write down the number on your book ya, according to the audio that you listen. Kan kata tadinya 1 gitu ya. What did you do when you were in the farm? I picked some oranges. Ya, berarti itu yang 1. Lihat gambarnya terus kasih angka 1. Next.
You see a lizard?
Ew. Oh, I saw a beautiful parrot.
Nah, kira-kira yang mana nih yang number 2? Did you see a lizard? Ew. I saw the beautiful parrot. Yang mana? Oke, number 2 ya. Sekarang number 3.
2. Did
Oh, number 2.
you good time on the farm?
No, I didn't.
Why not? What happened?
I went to the bathroom. Goats ate all my vegetables.
Katanya yang number 2. Did you have fun in the garden? No, katanya. When I went to the bathroom, the goat ate my vegetables. Nah, kira-kira yang mana tuh yang gambar 2-nya? Oke, write number 2 on the box. Next.
3.
3.
You were in the mountains last week.
Yes, I was. It was really cold.
What did you do then?
When I was outside, I played in the snow.
Katanya, were you in the mountain last weekend? Yes, it was very cold, katanya. What did you do there? I play in the snow. Yang mana yang kira-kira yang play in the snow? Kasih number 3. Oke, next.
Did you have a good time in the mountains?
Yes, we did. When it was dark, we saw the moon.
Did you see the stars too?
Yes, we did. They were beautiful.
Nah, number 4 katanya, did you have fun in the mountain? Yes. When it was dark, I see the moon. Did you see some stars too? Katanya. Nah, kira-kira yang mana tuh? Oke, teman-teman kasih angka 4 ya. Next.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon.
Oke, barusan rhyme ya. Teman-teman bisa lihat di bukunya di halaman 45. Next.
Page 47. Letters and sounds. Listen. Say.
Mouse. Ow. House. Ow. Shout.
Nah, yang pertama, OU bunyinya AU. Mouse, house, shout, ow. Ya, bukannya OU. Tapi ow. Mouse, house, shout. Oke, next.
Oh, cousin. Oh, double. Oh, trouble.
Nah, yang kedua sama-sama tulisannya OU, tapi bacanya E. Cousin, double, trouble, bukannya au lagi. Kalau tadi kan yang pertama au ya, jadi bukannya cousin, double, bukan, tapi ini e. Cousin, double, trouble. Oke, next. Coba yuk, kita baca bareng-bareng. Pretty mouse on the stage outside her house. Ow, ow. What's she shouting?
Do you know? Double.
Trouble, bubbles, go. Oke, jadi di sini teman-teman bedain antara au dan o. Ya, oke, next. Oops, wait. Oke, sebentar ya. Nah, in your book, page 42, you can read the letters from Ben.
In the countryside,
Oke, kita dengerin ya.
Ben and Anne went to the mountains. Dear Tom, last weekend we went to the mountains. When we were by the river, we saw the moon and the stars. They looked really cool. Yours, Ben.
Oke. Di sini, wait.
The moon is so big. I know. And the stars are so pretty. Oh, Tinky. Ellie and her family went to a farm. Dear Sue, last Sunday we went to the countryside. When we were on the farm, the goat ate Mom's coat. It was funny. Love, Kelly.
Oke. Oh, belum. Wait ya. Okay, here you see a lot of verb, a lot of kata kerja yang untuk past simple ya, yang udah lewat. Contoh, ada when, ada when we were, so, look. Oke. Nah, ini juga last weekend everyone had. Nah, ini past simple. Ini udah teman-teman pelajarin di yang kemarin. Oke. Yang apa? Fun in the apa ya? Minggu lalu itu kita belajarnya sebentar ya. I'll check first. A fun vacation, ya. A fun vacation we talk about past simple. Nah, di sini juga ada past simple. Coba. Kalau di sini kan ada kata-katanya when. Ya. Sebenarnya when itu asalnya dari go, berubah ke when. Oke. Terus ada lagi see, berubahnya ke so. Ya. Look, berubahnya ke look. Have, berubahnya ke have. Nah, ini yang namanya past simple, ya. Udah lewat kejadiannya. Kan kalau last weekend, berarti udah lewat dong, udah minggu lalu nih, last weekend. Ya kan? Oke. Nah, jadi itu namanya past simple karena kejadiannya udah lewat. Terus kalau teman-teman tadi dengar di audionya, ada kayak gini kata-katanya. When we were at the farm, the goat and mom's clothes. Gitu kan? Nah, di sini yang mana sih yang past simple-nya? Ayo, siapa yang bisa? Ini when we were. Oke, sama goat ate. Ya, ini past simple-nya. Oke, good. Next ya. Nah, di sini teman-teman bisa tahu banyak lokasi. Ada mountain, ada river, ada farm, ya. Terus bisa juga describing something, pakai adjective. Adjective itu kata sifat, menggambarkan sesuatu. Beautiful, cool, ya. Siapa lagi? Cold, gitu. Oke, next ya. Nah, ini dia. In this letter, Sue described the situation when she was at the farm. Kita cari lagi yuk. Let's find out which one is past simple. Ayo, siapa yang bisa? Sulis kasih contoh ya. I give you the sample first. We went. When itu past simple. Oke. When we were. Oke, tadi nih the goat ate. Oke, nah itu yang namanya past simple. Oke, good. Next ya. Teman-teman, you can open your book and look at this explanation from your book. Okay, let's listen.
Page 43. Word family. Listen, read, say.
Water, field, river, mountain, moon, stars.
Oke, karena ini kata-katanya listen, read, and say, kita mendengarkan, membaca, dan mengucapkan kembali. Coba yuk kita ucapin. Farm, field, river, mountain, moon, stars. Oke, next. Oke, kita dengerin ya.
Page 44. Dialogue. Listen, read, say. What did you do when you were in the field?
First, we picked some apples. Then we ran. The cow chased us.
Nah, yuk kita cari lagi. Yang mana nih yang pas simpelnya? What did you do? Did. When you were. Okay. We pick. We ran. We chase. Ya, itu pas simpelnya. Itu kata kerja yang udah lampau. Kalau Miss tuliskan di sini, do berubahnya jadi did. Oke. Are berubahnya jadi were. Pick berubahnya jadi pick. Run berubah jadi ran. Chase itu berubahnya jadi chased. Oke, nah ini yang namanya kata kerja, tapi yang sudah lampau atau kita bilangnya past simple, ya. Jadi kalau nanti ada soal gini, what did you do when you were in the field? Teman-teman jawabnya bukannya I go, bukannya I run, tapi I ran, I went, gitu ya. Pakainya past simple lagi. Oke, next, I erase first. Oke, kita dengerin lagi ya.
Page 44. Practice 2. Listen, read, say. 1.
In the field, picked apples.
What did you do when you were in the field?
I picked some apples.
2.
By the river, fed the ducks.
What did you do when you were by the river?
I fed the ducks.
3.
In the mountains, played in the snow.
What did you do when you were in the mountains?
I played in the snow. 4. At school, read a story.
What did you do
When you were at school, we read a story.
Oke, kita coba ya. Nah, jadi di sini teman-teman, kalau ada pertanyaannya seperti ini Miss tulis di nomor 1 sini. What did you do when you were in the field? Nah, ada jawabannya pick apples. Berarti teman-teman bisa jawabnya I pick apples. Gitu ya. Karena di sini memang bentuknya past simple. Terus yang nomor 2. Ada by the river sama fed the ducks. Sama. What did you do when you were by the river? Jawabannya I fed the ducks. Oke. Nah, yang mau Miss Tulus kasih tahu adalah pick, fed, played, read itu past simple. Nah, tulisannya sama nih. Kalau read, yang ini tulisannya sama, tapi bacanya beda. Satu bacanya read, kalau yang ini bacanya read. Ya, nah waktu yang at fun vacation udah ada tuh. Ada read a book. Gitu ya. Oke. Next. Di sini teman-teman belajar you learn about making a sentence. Belajar bikin kalimat. Next. Nah, ini yang barusan Miss Sulis jawab ya. Jadi pertanyaannya, what did you do when you were in the field? I pick apples. Terus yang kedua tadi apa? What did you do when you were by the river? Itu kan? Terus jawabannya, I fed the ducks. Oke. Terus lagi yang nomor 3. Tadi nomor 3 kita di mana ya? Oh, in the mountain. What did you do when you were in the mountain? Gitu kan? I played in the snow. Nah, jadi ini teman-teman jangan lupa kalimatnya ya, bagaimana cara menyusun kalimatnya. Oke. Ingat, what did you do when you were. Terus ininya kata kerjanya I fed, I played. Nah, ini yang harus dipahamin dulu ya. Oke, next. Okay, we try to fill up this one. Some of this I already answer it. Miss Sulis sudah jawab nih dari 1 sampai 3. Sekarang kita nomor 4. You can pick apples or oranges here. Di mana sih teman-teman kira-kira bisa metik apel dan jeruk? Kira-kira di mana? Kira-kira di mountain, di field, the river, stars, atau di farm? Atau di moon? Ayo, kira-kira yang mana? Di field ya. Karena field itu kayak ladang gitu ya. Oke, number 5. You can go to the top of it. You can take a very good pictures here. Kita bisa naik ke atasnya, terus kita bisa ambil foto. Kita bisa foto-foto yang bagus di sana. Kira-kira di mana? Di mountain, di river, di moon. Mountain. Ya. Okay. Number 6, you can do it by yourself ya. You just match from the picture. Next. Nah, ini. Yang teman-teman perlu lakukan adalah teman-teman harus merubah dulu. Ini yang dalam kurung berubah ke bentuk past simple. Oke. Kita coba rubah ya. Pick, sudah tahu ya jadi pick. Kalau read, berubahnya tulisannya tetap sama tapi bacanya read. Kalau take, berubah jadi took. Hati-hati dengan read ya, tulisannya sama tapi bacanya read. Kalau feed, berubah jadi tadi apa? I fed the duck. Oke. Nah, kita lihat. When I was in the mountains, I titik-titik. Lagi ngapain nih dia orangnya ya? Oh, lagi foto-foto. Jadi, I took some photos. Gitu ya. Nah, teman-teman bisa tarik garis. Oke, you can do it from at your book. Gitu. Oke. When I was in the farm, I titik-titik. Kira-kira dia lagi ngapain ya? Oh, dia lagi kasih makan ayam. Jadi yang mana nih? Oh, I fed some chickens. Oke. Jelas ya? The other one, you can do it. Oke, next. Nah, ini kita dengerin lagi ya.
Page 47. Letters and sounds. Listen. Say.
Owl. Mouse. house. Ow. Shout. Oh, cousin. Oh, double. Oh, trouble.
Oke. Bedain ya, bukannya au semuanya. Jadi kalau yang atas sini au, kalau ini a. Cousin, double, trouble. Oke, next. Kita dengerin lagi. Can you see the pretty mouse on the stage outside her house? Ingat ini au. She's shouting. Do you know? Double,
Double.
trouble, bubbles, go. Nah, double-nya bukan au, tapi o. Ada tulisannya sama ya, OU. Oke, next. Oke. Ini ada homework. Teman-teman di sini harus baca perlahan. My friend Jim lived on a farm in the countryside. I went to his farm last weekend. When we were in the field, we picked some apples. Then I saw some horses and cows. We fed the horses. Jim rode a horse, but I didn't. I was afraid. I watched them. It looked fun. Pertanyaannya, Bill went to a titik-titik in the countryside. Bill pergi kemana? Ini Bill ya. Jadi Bill ngomong nih. Bill ngomong, my friend Jim lived on a farm in the countryside. I went to his farm last weekend. When we were in the field, gitu ya. Nah, sekarang pertanyaannya, Bill went to a titik-titik in the countryside. Bill pergi kemana nih, teman-teman baca? I went to his farm. Jadi, Bill pergi kemana? Bill went to Jim's farm. Atau boleh juga, di sini tulis-tulisin ya, nomor 1. Atau boleh juga, Bill went to a farm. Karena perginya ke farm, ya kan? Tapi farmnya punya siapa? Punya Jim. Nomor 2. He titik-titik the horses in the field. He titik-titik, cari lagi. Then I saw some horses and cows. We fed the horses. Jadi Bill ngapain? Sama kudanya ngapain? Oke, jadi yang nomor 2 jawabannya. He fed the horses in the field. Oke, next ya. He didn't ride a horse because dia nggak naik kuda karena dia apa? Oke. Jim rode a horse, but I didn't. I was afraid, katanya. Jadi Bill nggak naik kuda karena dia kenapa? Because he was afraid. Gitu ya. Nah, yang ini juga sama. Teman-teman harus baca dulu buat menjawabnya. Oke. Next. Ini homework ya teman-teman ya. So this one is the homework page 28. Workbook page 28. Nah, this one juga. Homework page 29. This one is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oke. Kenapa easy peasy lemon squeezy? Ini gampang banget. Ya. Teman-teman tinggal pilih ada road, stars, when, what, went, mountains. Road itu mengendarai. Stars bintang, when ketika atau saat, what apa, went ini pergi. Mountains, gunung. Okay. What did you do last weekend? I titik-titik to the countryside. Kalau ada kata-kata to, sorry. Kalau ada kata-kata to, artinya dia menunjukkan tempat. Nah, kalau tempat itu biasanya kita apa? Kita mengendarai tempat, bintang tempat, saat tempat, apa tempat, atau pergi ke suatu tempat, atau gunung tempat. Good. Kita pergi ke suatu tempat ya. Jadi di sini I went to the countryside. What did you do? Titik-titik you were there. Tadi nih pertanyaannya banyak banget. What did you do? Titik-titik. Oke, you can do it. Nah ini. Kita naik sepeda. Jadi kita yang mana? We rode, we stars, we went, we walked, atau we mountains. Good. We rode. Ya. Oke. Nah, teman-teman kerjakan yang ini, halaman 9 sama yang ini. Read, check. Cek yang beda. Check the different one. Yang beda dikasih tanda tik. Shout, double, cousin. Yang beda yang mana bunyinya? Shout, double, cousin. Yang beda yang mana? Yang beda nanti teman-teman kasih tag. Gitu ya. Oke. Semuanya halaman 28 dan 29-nya teman-teman foto dan teman-teman kirim ke linknya. Oke, linknya udah Miss siapin. Nah, ini linknya. Paling lambat Oktober tanggal 30. Ya, jadi tuh ada 2 homework, halaman 28 dan halaman 29. Jadi jangan lupa ya teman-teman ya. Oke. Okay. I think that one. Thank you for today. Okay, see you next week, grade 4. Don't forget to send your homework to that link. I will inform the link through your Bunda Walas. Okay, bye-bye, grade 4. Wassalamualaikum. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy, and always be grateful. Bye.